The more you know. K-Beauty has really stretched this one. My sister bought this online. It's literally rhinoplasty at home. Like, are you fucking kidding me? Okay, please explain how this works. She has this in her nose and look at how good her nose looks. Okay, so how does this work?
So there's different sizes that you can stick up in your nose, like right here. It's like from
look at this
here
image.
to here.
Does that hurt?
It doesn't hurt at all. It's a little uncomfortable, obviously, but I can breathe fine. It's totally...
It looks like very natural and contoured.
Yeah, I use the smallest size. It comes in different sizes. I think it's like this is a much bigger size.
I'm just genuinely so confused.
But basically, just obviously you should wash it for sanitary reasons.
Should I try it?
But it's this little thing
and then
that literally goes in your nose.
Oh!
Like that.